Okay, so for those who do not know me, my name is Ansari and I am a Forex, US stocks as well as a crypto trader since 8.5 years. The topic for this video presentation is 3 hacks that will make you a professional trader. अच्छा, before jumping on to the topic, I have 2 pointers. जल्दी से मैं उनको डिस्कस कर लेता हूँ, उसके बाद we move on to the topic. Pointer number 1 is this financial market is not for your ego satisfaction. Let me elaborate what exactly is the meaning of ego satisfaction. Mostly मैंने लोगों को देखा है कि जो है वो they trade just 1 pair or 2 pair or 3 pair. या तो उनके mentors उनको बताते हैं, जो कि बिल्कुल गलत है. If you know how to trade, you can trade gold, you can trade forex, you can trade crypto, you can trade indices. Let's suppose you're trading gold, जो कि अभी कंसोलिडेशन में चल रहा है. कोई ट्रेड लॉजिकली बन नहीं रहा है, तुम जानबूझ के बना रहे हो और फोर्सफुली ट्रेड कर रहे हो. The second pointer is we all are here in this financial market to make money. So my suggestion is to diversify your watch list. ट्रेडिंग करनी तो आती है ना, सीखी है आपने भाई, तो डाइवर्सिफाई योर वॉच लिस्ट. फॉरेक्स भी ट्रेड करो, क्रिप्टो भी ट्रेड करो, गोल्ड को भी ट्रेड करो, यूएस स्टॉक्स भी ट्रेड करो, इंडिसेस भी ट्रेड करो. अभी गोल्ड जो है वो इज इन अ कंसोलिडेशन, सो आई मूव फ्रॉम गोल्ड टू crypto. Okay, now let's just move on to the topic. 3 hacks that will make you a professional trader. Hack number 1 is emotional detachment. Winning streak में खुश होना या losing streak में गम मनाना, गमगीन होना is not good for you in the long run. Let's just talk about a losing streak. Let's just say you lose 3 trades in a row. उससे होगा क्या if you are emotionally attached with your money and as well as trading? The result will be you'll start revenge trading. Now you want all the money back that you lost. उससे होगा ये लॉट साइज इंक्रीमेंट होगा, पेशेंस लूज होंगे और इमोशनल इम्बैलेंस जो क्रिएट होगा उसकी वजह से. Hack number 2 is patience. I trade price action, so I look for the structure. Then I mark my levels. उसके बाद levels पे जब प्राइस आती है तो I do not react immediately. I wait for my signals. जब तक मुझे सिग्नल नहीं मिलता मैं ट्रेड नहीं करता. बगैर सिग्नल के अगर मार्केट जो है वो लेवल से नीचे चली जाती है, लेवल से ऊपर चली जाती है, तो I let it go. Third and the last and the most important hack is you're supposed to have a trading plan. एक रजिस्टर में, एक जर्नल में write it down और just follow it religiously. जो लिख दिया it should be like पत्थर पे लकीर. Registration to work one-on-one with me is now up for the grab. So if you wish for my crypto mastery program as well as trading mastery, so if you wish to contact me, just links to my Facebook as well as Instagram is in the description. You can contact me so that I can see if I can help you to upgrade your life financially. Hit like, share and subscribe if you wish. I'll see you in the next one.